Hi, my name is Miss Munson, and today we're going to be talking about slurs and ties on our string instrument. We're going to start with slurs, and first I'll demonstrate two notes being played by separate bows. I was playing A and B using totally separate bows. Now I'm going to do a slur. That means I'm going to use one bow to play both notes. Watch carefully. My bow doesn't move, but my finger moves while the bow is continuous. Here's a different angle. So my bow doesn't stop, but my finger does. Now, in our song Slurs and Ties, we have a slur in our melody part from D to C sharp. Let's watch that. And then the B is a separate bow stroke. Now before we go on here, let's look at what it looks like in the music. Here's our example of stanza chroma up here. And as you see, we have two notes with a line between them. If those notes are different from each other, like these two are, D to C, it is a slur. We're using one bow for two notes, two different notes. So we have to remember when we do see a line between two notes, we have to identify, are they the same note or are they different? And we will watch the music while we watch our cello play. Same thing on the next part. So that's what a slur looks like in your music and while you're playing. Let's go on to a tie. We do have a ties in our I Got a Feeling song, but we also have slurs. So if we look at our music here, our second example, we see many notes that have a line between them. The first example, they are the same note with a line between them. That means it's going to be a tie. We also have two notes here that have a line between them. These are different, so that's going to be a slur. And at the end, we have another tie because there's a line between two notes that are the same. Now let's watch an example here. First demonstrating the slur. The slur is between F sharp and E. Now if you notice here, our ties are being played as one note. We're not playing two G's, we're playing one G together. We add the two values together and we know that 2/8 notes equals a quarter note. So we're actually having here 2/8 notes to a quarter note. D, D, G. Let's watch that. If we were to play them separately, it would sound like two separate eighth notes. Now if I play through the whole thing using just eighth notes, this means these are going to be separate, and I'm also going to put these into eighth notes, these ones that are already quarter notes. Let's listen to that. Now with the ties. So when you first see a line connecting the two notes, you need to identify the note names. If they're the same, like these two here are two G's, it's going to be a tie. You're going to play one note instead of two or three. You're going to play one note and combine the note values together. In this case, 2/8 notes equal a quarter note. If you see two notes that are not the same, that means we're going to slur the notes together using one bow. I hope this helps you with your slurs and ties in your string music, and thanks for watching.